Welcome back to CAD engineering tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Extrude Boss base command. So any kind of 2D sketch you convert to 3D model, so that is the very important tools, Extrude Boss base, and very useful tools. So let's jump into the main video. So there is 2D sketch. This drawing I have made, I have created this one last video, normal to. So going to feature, now select Extrude Boss base. Now it is automatically selected and it is showing, it is visible to Extrude Boss base as per our drawing. So here is a direction. This is direction. Blind automatically selected. Blind. Now it is depth selection. Let's say you can 35 millimeter selected. Now it is 35 millimeter. Let's say you need 10 millimeter. Here is put in 10. Now it is depth 10 millimeter. Here is one direction. Now select two direction. Now select is to another direction, two direction. Here is one direction. Now here is two direction, one direction here. Two direction opposite to one direction. Here is the drop angle. You can use if you need. If you need. You can make thin feature. And now it is thin. As you wish. Now selected our geometry and now it is Extrude Boss base. Select plane, make plane, create a rectangle, center rectangle, exit. Unmerged result. Now blind through wall. Here is a up to vertex, up to next. Up to surface, up to vertex. As you wish, you can use. This is very important tools. So thanks for watching.